Have you seen Costa Rica before? Yes, our little country in the middle of Central America. Maybe you've seen it in a map. Maybe you've seen it in movies or TV. Maybe you've seen it in pictures. But this paradise is waiting for you to see it as it is. Because there is always more than meets the eye. There's so much more to discover yet. There's more than what can fit a screen. Come to experience the nature. Hear the sounds. See the colors. Sense the movement. Feel the life. Explore the real Costa Rica for the very first time. Live this wild experience with the Nature Group Costa Rica. Costa Rica as never seen before.